Hi there, it's Suzanne and Craig from Adventures of Empty Nesters, and welcome to Cocktail Adventures. This is our number 4. Look at you, 4. And we have been talking about our favorite cocktails, and we are showing you how we make them. We are not professional bartenders, but we pretend that we are. Today we are going to do an Aperol Spritz. And Craig and I came up with the idea because right now in Los Angeles, it's getting kind of warm. And an Aperol Spritz is so refreshing, and it's lovely to sit by the pool or sit in your patio or just enjoy the Aperol Spritz outside.
Right, so it's mid-90s here in LA, so we thought, it's summer finally, and we'll do the Aperol Spritz. So we'll do it differently tonight. What we're going to do is I'm going to coach Suzanne through it. So if it comes out wrong, it's not my fault. But here we go.
Okay, I'm ready.
So this is going to be 2 parts Aperol, 3 parts Prosecco.
Aperol.
So let's start with Aperol. Aperol is an aperitif.
I'm a lefty.
It is a combination of rhubarb and orange and some other flavors. It's exactly 101 years old, which is amazing.
It's pretty cool.
And what's cool is the Barbieri brothers developed it. It didn't become popular until World War II, right? In the early 50s, they had television ads in Italy, which made it very popular. When Campari acquired them, it became even more popular. So Aperol. Okay. And that's going to be more of less sweet, where more digestif after dinner would be sweeter. Okay. So now we're going to do Prosecco.
Prosecco.
We're going to do 3 parts of that.
Okay.
Prosecco is an Italian sparkling wine. So when you think champagne, France, you think California sparkling, can't be champagne, it can be champagne method. But when you think Prosecco, this is made from within 7 regions in the Veneto. And what's cool about it is there are about 5 different varieties of sparkling throughout Italy. You have Lambrusco, you've got Asti Spumante, and you have 2 brands I can never pronounce. So
you do pretty well, though.
Just trust me on that. Now we'll do a splash of sparkling. You don't have to do this on the sparkling water. You can. Great.
Okay.
And then we'll give it a stir.
We'll give it a stir.
Otherwise, the Aperol will all be at the bottom, and you will not be happy at the end.
No. Okay.
And we're going to garnish.
We're going to garnish with a half slice of orange.
Nice, you use the fork.
I know.
I will use my fingers.
There's people watching. We have to use a fork. Okay. Wonderful. So here you have your Aperol Spritz. One of the reasons we wanted to share our Aperol Spritz recipe with you is I wanted to share a travel memory, and that is our trip to Italy that we took with my mom and her husband and our grown kids, our daughter and her husband, and our son and his fiance. And we went to Tuscany, but we went there for a specific reason. We went to go see something called the Palio, which is a horse race of all horse races. And it's significant for many reasons, but one of them is that there's no rules, and they ride bareback. It's crazy amazing. And there are 10 horses in every race. It actually happens twice in every summer. And unfortunately, I don't think it's going to happen this year. But it normally happens on July 2nd and August 16th. And there, like I said, there are 10 horses, and they represent something called a contrada, which is like a neighborhood. And so each of these neighborhoods celebrates and represents their horse, and they have names of their contradas, or they have symbols, things like the goose, the dragon, the caterpillar. It's really, really exciting. If you're interested in learning more, go over to the blog and take a look and type in the search box Italy, and you can read more. But we wanted to cheer you and cheer on this summer, because we're going to be drinking our Aperol Spritzes by our pool.
There you have it.
And thank you. I hope we'll see you again next week.
Cheers.
Bye for now.